Hi, my name is Giovanni Mata. My family and I own Xochimilco Family Restaurant. We've been here for around 18 years and hopefully we're going strong. We are located on Melrose Avenue, 4 blocks away from the 2 and the 5 train on the 3rd Avenue and 149th Street stop. Yes, this one we fixed it up last year. Something different in the neighborhood, something nice, and people can sit outside and enjoy the community. Our cuisine focuses on the center part of Mexico, Puebla, and Mexico City. To begin, you can start off with our fan favorite guacamole and chips. It can be spicy, it can be mild, up to you. We offer as a main dish mole poblano, our birria tacos, our fajitas mixtas. You can also try enchiladas, chilaquiles, our traditional Mexican cuisines. You can always ask for our specials, and some of our specials include our ribeye, our arrachera, which is skirt steak, other traditional things like pipián de pollo, or you can also try our puerco en salsa verde con papas. So this is the tamarind, and we peel it and then we boil it, and with that we use it for our cocktails and for our juices. Here's our tamarindo margarita. Enjoy. So here we have our chicken, our steak, and our vegetarian option, which is the squash blossom. And here we have a chorizo and your tripe. Enjoy.
I'm gonna try a chorizo, my favorite. Very good. Packed with flavor. I've never tried tripe tacos. I've had tripe soup. It's a new experience. I've not seen these anywhere. Amazing. Really good.
So this is our fajitas mixta with the rice and beans on the side and your flour tortillas. The fajitas come with shrimp, steak, chicken, and your vegetables.
I'm gonna make my fajita. Woo, hot, hot, hot. All right. Put a couple of shrimps on here. Peppers. Onion. Very fresh, very flavorful, really delicious.
On Thursdays we have live music, karaoke from 7 and on. Every day we have happy hour from 3 to 7 between Mondays and Fridays. So hope to see you here.
Giovanni, everything is great. Love your restaurant on Melrose Avenue in the South Bronx, 4 blocks from the hub. Get here, take the 5, take the 2. See you next time.
See you here.